you have an email address, and you probably also have a social media account. Whether it be Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, online communication has become so widespread that it's become the norm of how to communicate. Now, online technologies are great because they are able to connect people from all around the globe. And in doing this, it helps with the formation of communities. Now, with the formation of communities, though, it would be a great idea to also be able to monitor these communities in order to figure out how people are treating each other. And ideally, we would want a community where everyone feels welcome. And the first step to accomplishing that is to figure out how welcoming that community is in the first place. It would be impossible to accomplish this using just human labor, though. There's just too much to investigate. So the way we do this is through sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a combination of machine learning and natural language processing. And with sentiment analysis, we can determine people's attitudes towards a certain topic, product, or even towards other people. And the way it works is that we have a data set of a ton of documents. For example, tweets. And in this, for each document, we have a label, which usually consists of labels like positive, negative, or neutral. We pick a model out of many different types of models, which are all based on different types of algorithms, and then we train that model on that labeled data set. And the final result is that we get a model that can predict labels on unseen text, which means that you can feed it some new tweets and it will be able to spit out which sentiment it is, whether it be positive, negative, or neutral. Now, in the example I gave, I took my source of documents from Twitter, but in my actual project, I take my source of documents from GitHub, which is a code development platform. And because the company I work at, Red Hat, is a company that provides open source software, they're especially interested in investigating the nature of the GitHub community because open source software is very popular in the GitHub. So with my work, we can investigate the nature of the GitHub community through determining the sentiment of peer review comments. And with this, we can figure out how to better improve the community in the future.